back to the channel. My name is Bryce, and today is Wednesday, September 30th. And I'm out here with my friend Aiden, and they're combining some corn right now. What happened to your face?
Don't you remember we were liming around Roch and I ate a curb.
It was a scooter accident.
Yeah.
9 stitches.
Not my proudest moment.
Did I sign a release form?
We're in the grain cart here, and Aiden's dad is in the combine, and we're just shuttling corn from the combine to the semis over there. So let's make a video. So this year is a pretty exciting fall here on Aiden's family farm here, and they got a new combine. So why don't you tell them a little about that?
It's a 2020 Case IH 7250, and it's the first red piece of equipment, like big piece of equipment on the farm. And it was pretty special. My grandpa got to drive it off the assembly line down in Nebraska. Me, my dad, and my grandpa and the salesman went down there and got to tour the plant. And so it's pretty exciting to have a new piece of equipment around here, especially when it's red.
on, and they just started opening up this other field here. And what's really cool about this road that we're on right now is that our farm, my family farm, Aiden's family farm, and my friend Mitchell's family farm, we farm every single field on this whole road. So I just think that's pretty cool. And actually, Mitchell's older brother is combining beans right across the road. I'll see if I can zoom in and you can see him. Semi and send his grandpa back to the farm to dump. All right, guys, so I just put you on the semi, so I hope you enjoy the ride. Got that black truck full, and his grandpa is taking that home, and he put a little bit in the purple truck right there. Now we're sitting here with an empty cart waiting for the combine again, and this is really exciting to be back in the field here. I can't wait till we start combining. Dad says we're at least a week out, a week and a half. It's fall's here and harvest time is here, and it's go time, so this is exciting. What did you do?
I didn't do it. My dad was, oh, there's the rock right there. My dad was trying to not suck that rock up in the head, and then he stopped, and obviously I don't have cat-like reflexes, so...
Switching fields. Just switched the next field here, but I don't know how much longer they're going to be able to go. You can see in the sky behind me, it looks pretty dark. I think it's going to rain pretty good here. Killer sunset though.
Yeah. A lot more killer if it didn't rain.
And not 2 minutes later, here comes the rain. Now the skies turn blue. Think we'll keep going?
I don't know, as long as it doesn't get too muddy, I think we'll keep her moving here, but we'll have to see.
Everybody, so it's about 7 o'clock here now and they're all done for the night. Aiden's taking the grain cart and his dad's taking the combine, and they're gonna move the semis over to somewhere else, and I'm gonna go take my truck so I can shuttle somebody back to grab this other semi here. So let's get to it. Alright everybody, so this is the end of the video. They got the combine and grain cart parked over here for the night. Aiden's dad is just blowing off the combine a little bit to clean it up. And if you guys like the video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. This is one of many harvest videos to come this fall. I wasn't planning on making this video at all today. Aiden called me right when I got out of school and he's like, hey, I'm running grain cart, you want to come ride? And I said, yeah. I had my GoPro with me luckily, so I had everything I needed. And hopefully it turned out good. So, with that being said, see you next time.